In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy values from one field to another using the Salesforce platform. This technique can save you a significant amount of time by automating mundane tasks, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Take a moment to do that. If you need help with your credentials, ensure you have those handy or contact your administrator. Once you're successfully logged in, your next task is to navigate to the Setup menu. You can easily find this by looking for the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Setup. Once you're there, proceed to open Advanced Setup. This area provides you with more options and tools that you'll need for the next steps. Moving along, you're going to utilize the Quick Find box. This is a handy search tool located at the top of your Setup page. Type flows into it. This will lead you to the flows section, which is essential for creating the automation we want. Once you're in the flow section, you're going to create what's called a new record-triggered flow. This is essentially the backbone of our automation process, as it will trigger every time a record is created or updated. On this new flow, you will need to specify the trigger object and condition. What does this mean? Simply choose the object you want to monitor for changes, like an account or a contact, and set the conditions under which this flow should be activated. This could be something simple, like any change to a specific field depending on your requirements. Next, you're going to add an assignment element into your flow. This step is where the actual copying of values happens. The assignment element is your tool for defining how data from one field will be copied to another. Once that's set up, it's time to specify which target field will be updated with the source field's value. Carefully make this selection to ensure the correct information is transferred to the appropriate field, keeping your data accurate and up to date. After you've configured your assignments, it's critical to save your work. Don't just stop there though. You will need to click the Activate button to make sure your flow becomes operational. This final step confirms that your automated process is ready to run in your Salesforce environment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can set up an effective automation in Salesforce to copy field values seamlessly, improving your workflow efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below or consult Salesforce's support resources. Until next time, happy automating!